It's been a sunny and sizzling hot start to the work week over much of the interior, with highs well into the 30s. We've seen cool temperatures over the western and southern parts. So on our satellite, you'll see a thick band of high and mid-level cloud moving over the western and southern part of the country. Quite a bit of that cloud remains in the forecast as we head into Tuesday, with a mostly cloudy and mild day along the western and eastern Cape coastline. You'll see a weak cold front moving just to the southwest of us, bringing in more cloud than it does rainfall. In fact, it'll be a dry day across South Africa on Tuesday, with those temperatures continuing to heat up across the interior, with highs well into the 30s. Light onshore winds are forecast along the coastline, with a light easterly breeze between Richards Bay and East London. A light southerly wind is forecast for George, with fresh winds over the northern Cape interior. And the SA Weather Service have issued a high fire danger warning on Tuesday, with runaway fires possible over a large portion of South Africa's interior. Uppington and Presco both top 37 degrees on Tuesday afternoon. We're expecting quite a bit of cloud over the southern part of the province, 24 for Sutherland. Alexander Bay with a cool afternoon at 19 degrees. Maximum temperatures head into the upper teens and low 20s along the western Cape coast, with a mostly cloudy forecast, but with a warm afternoon as we head further inland, with most of those highs in the mid-20s. Partly cloudy and mild weather is expected along the eastern Cape coastline, 22 for Port Alfred and East London, but with sizzling hot temperatures over the interior, with maximum temperatures in the low and middle 30s. A similar day is expected for KwaZulu-Natal, 36 for Pietermaritzburg and Ladysmith, just shy of 30 as we head towards Richards Bay. 31 for Secunda and eMalahleni, with a toasty afternoon for Bombela at 35. Skukuza topping 37 degrees. Dry as we head towards Limpopo, with a fine and sunny forecast, 35 for Lephalale, and Polokwane topping 31 degrees. Hot weather continues for the northwest, with a mostly clear day on Tuesday. 33 for Mahikeng and Potchefstroom, Rustenburg at 34 degrees. Bloemfontein with a mostly clear 33, and a maximum of around 30 is forecast for Bethlehem and Harrismith. In Gauteng, you'll see mostly clear weather on Tuesday, with most maximum temperatures in the low 30s. At Tambo International, we can expect a high of 28 degrees. On Wednesday, you'll see that hot weather continuing over the interior, but with cool weather returning to the Western Cape, 17 for much of the province. Rain is forecast along the coast between Port Elizabeth and Durban. Pietermaritzburg with a toasty afternoon at 36. And then by Thursday, you'll see cloudy weather and the possibility of rain, with a cooler day for KwaZulu-Natal. Temperatures remain hot over the interior, with a cool to mild day for the Eastern Cape. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great night.